If you're considering purchasing a soil moisture meter, you're in the right place. In this video, I will review the Hathdia soil moisture meter on the following criteria. Here is the point scale I'll use. So let's begin with aesthetics. Aesthetics aren't super important for this product, but it looks good to me. Mine is green and also comes in black if you're interested. Quality. It feels durable, but I don't expect this to last forever, even though the probe is metal and the plastic is solid. Amazon also offers a 30-day warranty. It's worth noting that it should be wiped off after each use because if you leave it sitting in soil for long periods of time, like I did, it will start to corrode. Features. The 7.6-inch long probe can be used for large potted plants or outdoor gardens. This meter only comes with an analog display. Functionality. This meter does a good job of identifying dry and moist soil, but I noticed it never showed wet in my garden, so I decided to do a test. Here is a solo cup of soil that hasn't been watered in over a month. I incrementally added a quarter cup of water, mixed it, and measured it to see how the meter responded. It did well up until about the number 7. I continued to saturate the soil as much as I could, but wasn't able to move that needle past 7. The meter is not intended to be used in only water, but if you were curious like I was, this is the reading you'll get. Value. It only cost $7 on Amazon, so it's hard to say that that's not a good value. That being said, mine did not work as intended, so I think there are others that maybe cost more or maybe cost less that could be a better value. Overall, I give this soil moisture meter a 6.8 out of 10. This item has close to 5 stars on Amazon, so maybe mine was an outlier, and your results may be different than mine, but I wasn't able to identify wet soil. That being said, it did a good job of differentiating between dry and moist, which is probably where you typically need it the most. If you really want to make sure your plants get enough water while keeping your garden organized, check out my review of Draft's retractable garden hose. Or if you're considering adding a raised bed to your garden, check out my review of the OutSunny raised garden bed. Thanks for watching. I hope this video was helpful, and I hope it was concise.